Welcome to Padu Motivations. We are at a car wash, and I'm going to show you how to wash your car using the hose. Okay, Tesla does not recommend you going to an automatic car wash where you have all the brushes and stuff. So we're just going to basically wash it by hand, but with the hose. I'm going to give you some tips, things to do, and most importantly, things not to do. As you can see, the car is not really dirty, but the purpose of this video is just to demonstrate how you wash a Tesla Model 3 or really any Tesla at all. So I'm going to pull into the car wash, and then we'll take it from there. Okay, so I'm about to wash the vehicle, but first you want to put it on car wash mode, okay? And car wash mode is basically going to do the following. So you just put it on car wash mode, enter car wash mode. So basically it's going to, just to summarize this, it's going to turn the wipers off, because if I start hosing down the car, you don't want the wipers to keep coming on. Sentry mode is off. Most importantly, your trunk is closed, your front is closed. So that's basically it. Now we're gonna wash it. Okay, we're about ready to go. So I'm just gonna take this nozzle right here, and what I'm gonna do first is just rinse it off. So we'll just rinse it off a little bit, and then I'll get the soap in there. Tesla, by the way, does not recommend you just focusing on any one area. They want you to keep this moving just like this. You never want to just hold it on one spot. You just want to keep it moving. Hold it down. Also, Tesla also recommends you keeping the hose at least 12 inches from the vehicle itself. Okay. All right, so that's good. Now we're gonna add a little soap. Oh, and this is obviously the safest way to do your Tesla. To be honest, I'd rather go to a automatic car wash, but hey, this is the next best thing. Okay, now I'm going to rinse it. You can look through the mirror here. You see the Tesla is still on car wash mode, which is good. About to rinse it now. And again, just keep the hose moving. You just keep it moving. Looking good, looking good. I usually try to focus a little on the front too, because sometimes this accumulates a lot of bugs and whatnot. Here in Phoenix, there don't seem to be as much bugs and mosquitoes as they are in other parts of the country, so I kind of like that. Okay, now we're ready to just wipe it down. Everything seemed to work out pretty good. One thing Tesla does recommend using warm water, which this is obviously. Tesla also recommends you not washing your vehicle in the direct sunlight, so that's good. That's why I keep it on under here while I'm wiping it down. They also suggest that you wipe it down with a high quality microfiber cloth, which I'm about to do. And on your cameras, what they recommend is that you just hose it down or wipe it with just water, okay? And then what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take my microfiber cloth and I'm just gonna, that's what they recommend. Just water and then wipe it down just like that. In dry areas like here in Phoenix, they recommend you doing this once every month. If you live in a cold, snowy climate, they recommend you doing this to each camera right here at least once a week. So I'm gonna do the other one here. We'll wipe it down. Remember, these cameras are good for your lane changing, security, and a whole bunch of other things. If you watch my video, I kind of get into that a little bit. Okay, so now I'm just gonna wipe it down. All right, and I just usually start at the top here, and we'll wipe it down. And I just wring out some of the excess. Okay, continue to wipe. We're in sunny Phoenix, Arizona today, but it's not too sunny today. It's rain, which, man, you don't see rain. You don't see rain here very much in the desert. What is that? This is a beautiful vehicle, I tell you what, that. Okay, we're just about done here. By the way, when I was washing my Tesla Model 3, if if I didn't have the car wash mode on and I'm hosing down the car, the windshield wipers would have came on because I have it on automatic. So that's something to keep an eye on. We're just about there. And I'm gonna pull it out and then you can check to see how I did. It is raining though. I guess I picked the perfect day to wash the vehicle. All right, we're looking good. All right, let's pull this baby out and see how it looks. Okay, so now we just got finished washing the car. I'm gonna pull it out and let you check it out. What you want to do now is exit car wash mode. Also, if I wanted to, I could have folded the mirrors like so. You use that if you're going into like an automatic car wash, so those brushes and wipes and stuff won't really mess with your rear view mirror. So we're gonna go unfold the mirrors, and now we're gonna exit the car wash mode, and then I'm gonna pull out. Okay, we're done. I think I did a pretty decent job. It's raining and stuff right now, so this is it. So that's taking your Tesla Model 3 to the car wash using a hose. It's not too bad. I think it looks pretty good. Everything looks good. It dried off nice. Everything is looking fairly decent. And we're good to go. Hey, hope you enjoyed the video. Look forward to the next one. Also, like and subscribe. The next video I think I'm going to do is going to be going through a touchless car wash where I don't have to do all this work. So we'll see you at the next video.